Hello and welcome back on Windows Fixer. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the step to create an invisible folder on your Windows computer. This folder will have a hidden name and an invisible icon. Let's get started. Step number 1. Creating a nameless folder, which is the first step. Right click on your desktop and then go into the new extension folder and then click here on the folder. Once you have created, now right click on it, rename, and now hold Alt key and press 255 and hit enter. That's it. It's simple, but ensure that numlock is on. Press enter to create the folder. You won't see any name, but the folder is there, right? As you can see, let me turn off this auto range. Now we need to hide the folder icon as well, which is important. Again, right click on the newly created folder and select properties. Go to the customize tab and click on the change icon. In this change icon window, select an invisible icon. Just scroll down a bit and you'll get here the 3 permit. You can choose any, it's not important, and hit apply. Okay, that's it. Now you can see here is my folder, but like only I know that I have a folder over here. Otherwise, if someone just access my PC, he don't know that there's an invisible folder. And there you have it, guys. You have successfully created an invisible folder on your Windows computer. Feel free to customize it further or use it for your specific need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.